Hi, my name is Derek, and today I'm going to show you how to clone my high ticket funnel using Aweber. Let's get started. All right, guys, you should be on a screen or a page that looks like this. And I have all the steps here for you laid out in sequence. So this should make it super easy to get you guys up and going, okay? So there's 4 steps. There's a couple optional steps here, but we'll just go down the list one by one. Step number 1, if you haven't done so already, guys, you'll need to start the 15-day challenge. All right. So you'll click on that first button, and you'll need to enter your information, and you're going to have to purchase the 15-day Business Builder Challenge for $7. All right, guys. It's a one-time payment of $7. So just relax. It's only a couple bucks to get you going. Not reoccurring or anything like that. There should have been another link on the Facebook post that took you to the video, and then you scroll down, and then when you hit next, this is basically the checkout page. Okay, so sign up for the 15-day challenge, and then once you've completed the 15-day challenge, guys, the next step is to go ahead and sign up for an email autoresponder. Okay, now again, this tutorial is for beginners. So if you do not have an email autoresponder as of yet, then I would recommend you start either with Aweber here or System.io here. Okay, either one will work. If you have an email autoresponder already, if you got some experience under your belt or you're comfortable with one that you're using, ActiveCampaign, I think there's MailChimp. There's a ton of them out there. If you're comfortable with another one, that's fine. You can use that one as well. But I'm going to show you how to basically import emails into your Aweber account here. So that's why I would recommend if you don't have an account. And again, even if you have one, you can sign up with Aweber. They have a free account. So this is what it looks like. You go to pricing, and it's up to 500 subscribers. It's free. So if you're just starting out, guys, it's going to take you a while to get up to 500 subscribers. And then if you do it yearly, I think I paid $10 a month because I'm at like 1,000. So I purchased a yearly package. So, or you can do System.io. This one's another big one that's getting more and more popular. I have a free account with them as well. I don't use them for the email marketing. They wanted me to when I started with them, they wanted me to put some sort of code in, I think, my domain or something goofy. And actually, I didn't even mess with it. It was a little too techy for me at the time, so I just didn't even waste my time. But you can. The cool thing is, you know what? I would recommend that you sign up with them anyway, because in a later step, you're going to be doing. I don't want to confuse you guys, but you're going to be basically building a bridge page. And I'm going to tell you right now that System.io is awesome for building bridge pages. Okay, so you may want to just get a free account with them anyway. So anyway, once you have an email autoresponder signed up, then yes, then the step number 3 is you're going to be building a bridge page. And what I've done here for you is I put the document. It's the bridge page for Legendary Marketer 2021, and it's the script that you guys can use on your bridge page. So for those of you who don't know what a bridge page is, you're going to be making just a short video of yourself, introducing yourself, telling people really what they're going to see on the next page. It doesn't have to be professional. You're just going to basically tell them the next steps. You don't want to drive cold traffic to a sales page. The conversions are very low. So you want warm traffic, or if they're lukewarm leads and you get them to a bridge page, you just, in plain English, you just break it down real simple so they understand what's going to happen next. Okay, so that'll increase your conversions, and that'll help you make some sales. So, and again, you don't have to follow this exact script. You can just introduce yourself and just say, hey, check out the video on the next page by Dave Sharp. And if you want to start making commissions, you want to learn how to make money online, this is the route that they need to go. Okay. If you don't want to be on camera, guys, the optional step here is to hire a designer to create an animated video for you. All right, so you go to Fiverr. For those of you who don't know, there are people all over the world that are using this website, and they do odds and ends tasks for you for insanely cheap. $10 here, $5 here. This guy's getting crazy. I don't never pay $350 for that, but you can find, guys, people to make you a short 5-minute video for just a couple bucks. Okay, I've used this company in the past, and if you're not happy, then you make revisions to whatever you hire somebody for, and they'll work with you until you're happy. So highly recommended. All right. Step number 4, this is where you're going to be importing your email sequence into Aweber, basically using a share code. Now this, guys, is awesome. All right, so what you're going to do, here's a Google document to legendary email follow-up sequence. All right, here's a share code, and you're going to take this code. It says if you're using Aweber, you may import this entire campaign directly using a campaign share code. So you go like this, you're going to copy this, and by the way, if you click on this link, it'll take you to a page. It basically explains how to do this. You get create campaign. You just go to click the automation button over here, and you go to import. And then what you're going to do is you're going to type in that share code that I just showed you. And there you go. Hit import campaign. Boom. And the whole campaign will be imported into your Aweber account. Okay, guys. Once you go through the 15-day challenge, you will get your affiliate link. And all you have to do is put that affiliate link in the link in the email. Okay, so they're going to get this email once a day, and you're going to put your affiliate link in the email. Does that make sense? And this one is going to be, I think some of these don't have a link that they just provide value, which is a great thing to do, by the way. But here's another link, so you're going to put your affiliate link there. Okay. You won't put it in the document. You're going to put it in your Aweber email autoresponder, so they get it sent to their email. All right. I know this is pretty basic stuff here, guys, but again, this is made for beginners. Another Google document I was able to get my hands on for you guys is there's a 9 email sequence. All right, but this one you're gonna have to copy and paste into your email autoresponder. Okay, this is 2022. It might be a little more updated, but basically you just copy the subject line, put it in your subject, and then copy this, and then you're gonna put your affiliate link in here. Okay, guys. And if you want, you can do the 22 email sequence, and then you can add your 9 emails after that. You can play with it, guys. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. Again, marketing, guys, is just about, it's kind of about testing. See what works, tweak some things, see what works for you. You know, if it's something's not working, you'll need to change some things, and then just see what works. You know, but it's all about testing and making changes. Okay, guys. So there you have it. You got four major steps here to start generating some cash for you guys to build an email funnel or a sales funnel where you can start earning commissions. And again, you don't have to make it more complicated, guys. Again, if you don't want to do a video, you can hire someone for just a couple bucks. I think you can even download these documents to your Google account. And again, if you have your own email autoresponder, you can certainly use that as well. But you're going to have to start with that 15-day challenge first. And then once you're done with that, you'll get your affiliate link. Okay, guys? So I hope that helps. If I think of anything more, I'll try to go ahead and add it to this page to make it easier for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Reach out, in the group, in the Facebook group, or send me a message. I'll be happy to help, okay? Oh, I will definitely see you guys later. I'll plan on seeing you in the group, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye.